guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY feather pen. Okay, so these are things which you would need. You would need color paper, a pencil, a pen, tape and glue. You can also substitute tape for glue and scissors. Okay, so let's start. So first you would need your color paper. So in that paper, in any one side, you would need to fold it with little bit of space here. Turn it and see, it should be equal. No need to fold the whole paper. Little bit is enough since this is an A4 sheet. If you are taking a smaller paper, you would need to fold it completely. Now turn it. So this is the side which we have folded. Now from the top, start drawing the shape of a feather. Okay. Now using scissors, you would need to cut it. Okay, I have cut this out. Similarly, you would need to cut out one more similar shape from the remaining paper. So I have cut out one more similar sheet of paper using the remaining paper. Now using the remaining paper only, I have made few strips of paper and I have joined them. You can take one single strip also, but that would be too long, so no need to do that. Don't worry if it's not equal. Since we are going to rotate it, no problem. Now keep this aside. Bring in your pen. Take this. Now take your feather, prepared feather. You need to take glue. Apply some glue here. And stick this. Now you would also need to apply some glue here also. And stick the other feather on top of it. You would need to allow this to dry. So this has dried. Now take scissors. Using scissors from the edge little bit. See, like this. You would need to cut it in small pieces like this. No need to cut it out. Just on this feather, you would need to make different lines like this. For the whole feather, you would need to do like this. Okay, so I have cut it. No need to cut it till here. Just little. And on the top part, you need to be careful. Just little you will need to cut. Small cuts. Otherwise, the paper will get torn. And the topmost part, just leave it. Even here, you would need to do the same. Now keep your scissors aside. And here in this feather, you would need to do like this, so that it gets separated. So don't apply glue in these edges. If you apply, it will not come like this. This is optional. It will just look like a real feather. That's why. Now we are done with this part. Now here, let's start. So bring in this strip of paper. Take glue. I have taken Fevicol because it sticks well. And stick it here. And you would need to allow this to dry. This has dried. Now start spinning it, and as you spin, bring it a little downward and like that you would need to cover the whole pen. Now this has reached somewhat the middle, not exactly middle. In the middle you would need to apply some glue again so that it won't come out, and continue rotating. So if you have a little excess left, you can just cut it off and then leave little bit of paper. Now you will need to take tape. Now I am cutting it using scissors. Now take tape and stick it. You can take a bit long tape so that this joins the pen and the paper. Now you can just keep this aside for a while. It should all this gum which we applied here should stick, that's why. So this has dried. Now just this is optional. On the top here you can just give a small shading here, even on this side. Okay, so that's it. The pen is ready and you can close it using the original cap of the pen. It won't fit much, but it will come like this. I have made one more pen like this similarly. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and also if you're watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Watch you guys in the next video.